Good evening. Sri Venkaiah Naidu, Minister of Urban Development, Parliamentary Affairs, Sri Babul Supriyo, Minister of State for Urban Development, distinguished ambassadors of Swachh Bharat, being brought together all the ambassadors who are dedicated to the cause of Swachh Bharat. It is heartening to see such an overwhelming response for the event, and your strong presence here today assures me of its success. Long before India achieved independence, Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi once observed, and I quote, "Sanitation is more important than political freedom," unquote. However, even after 68 years of independence, statistics on sanitation speak otherwise, and even today 12% of urban Indian households do not have access to sanitation facilities. This needs remedial action by all stakeholders of the society. In the joint session of the Parliament on 9th June 2014, I observed, and I quote, "We must not tolerate the indignity of homes without toilets and public spaces littered with garbage. For ensuring hygiene, waste management and sanitation across the nation, a Swachh Bharat mission will be launched. This will be our tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary, to be celebrated by 2019. On 2nd October 2014, our nation took a pledge to make our country open, defecation free and clean by 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We are all here today because we know that we can achieve this objective together and reach the same that comes with open defecation. The time for action is here. Over the past 1 year, significant strides have been made. However, much more needs to be done. In addition to building affordable and sustainable such infrastructure, the mission's success is equally, if not more, dependent on each individual's action. Hence, our strategy is to engage the country's icons as Swachh Bharat ambassadors to make it a Jan Andolan. We have to carry forward the momentum that has been built. Distinguished participants, ambassadors, ladies and gentlemen, Swachh Bharat ambassadors have a huge potential to influence public to adopt safe sanitation practices and integrate them into their daily lives. An ambassador does not only encourage his or her followers to imbibe the spirit of a clean India, but also motivate them to become Swachh Bharat ambassadors themselves, making this mission a true form of Jan Andolan. The role of ambassador is not only to create awareness and motivate citizens, but also to join hands on ground and participate in mission activities. You can devote a few hours of your precious time to contribute towards community mobilization, awareness creation, promotion of such practices through multiple platforms and other philanthropic activities, including community adoption. It is necessary that you are engaged not only once but continuously, because the task at hand calls for sustained effort. Until each street is clean, each citizen has access to safe sanitation, and every student lives in a hygienic environment, our task remains unfulfilled. I must once again congratulate Sri Venkaiah Naidu, Minister of Urban Development, and his colleagues for taking this initiative to involve distinguished public figures such as Swachh Bharat Mission's brand ambassadors. I also compliment him and the entire team of the Urban Development Ministry for bringing out a copyable book on Swachh Bharat Mission. The memento which he has presented to me not only symbolizes the mission, but also it speaks the untold story of India's march towards Clean India, Swachh Bharat. I also compliment him and the entire team for this dedicated work. I am pleased to see the firm commitment to the mission and look forward to the involvement of all citizens of India in this essential task. I am confident that through a Clean India, we will pay a fitting tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary. Let us become the nation that he dreamt of. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.
We thank the President.
స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించి ఏడాదవుతున్న సందర్భంగా దాదాపు దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న 100 మంది బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్లకు ఇవాళ రాష్ట్రపతి తేనేటి విందు ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్యనాయుడు మాట్లాడుతూ ఒక్కో బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ ఒక్కో వ్యవస్థని ఎంతో మంది ప్రజలు మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతారు కాబట్టి స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ను ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్లాలి, తద్వారా దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయాలి అని కోరుకున్నారు. అలాగే రాష్ట్రపతి మాట్లాడుతూ కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఒక మంచి కార్యక్రమం తీసుకుంది, ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ ప్రెస్టీజియస్గా తీసుకున్నారు. సో బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్లు అందరూ కలిసి రావాలి, వాళ్ళతో పాటు ప్రజలందరూ కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగస్వాముల వారు గాంధీజీ కలలుగన్న క్లీన్ ఇండియాను మనం తీసుకురావాలని రాష్ట్రపతి కోరుకున్నారు. బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్గా ఉన్న ఎన్టీవీ చైర్మన్ నరేంద్ర చౌదరి కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. ఇప్పటివరకు రాష్ట్రపతి భవన్ నుంచి